If you're thinking about buying the BRAUN Nevo, there's one big question. Is this shaver actually worth the money? Or is it just another overpriced gadget with a fancy name? I took a closer look at the BRAUN Nevo to find out. First, the design is seriously impressive. It has a premium stainless steel body. It feels light, solid, and very well built. BRAUN also says it is made in Germany and designed for long-term durability. But the real test is the shave. And this is where the Nevo gets interesting. It uses BRAUN's Aero Touch technology. The system is designed to glide smoothly across your skin while adapting to your beard. It also has 250 cutting edges and a smart processor that adjusts power based on beard density. In real-world reviews, the shave has been one of its biggest strengths. Several reviewers reported an extremely close shave with fewer passes. That can also mean less irritation, especially if your skin is sensitive. The battery is another plus. You get up to 60 minutes of runtime. There's also a cleaning system that automatically cleans, lubricates, dries, and charges the shaver. But here's the problem: the price. The Nevo sits firmly in the luxury category, and that makes it difficult to call it a great value. You can get excellent shaving performance from cheaper BRAUN models. So, is the Nevo a scam? No, it appears to be a legitimate, high-end electric shaver. But is it worth it? If you want the best performance and don't mind paying a premium, I'd say yes. For everyone else, I'd save the money and look at the Series 9 Pro Plus. Overall, the BRAUN Nevo is impressive, but you're paying for the luxury experience too.